So this is what I get when I decided to go here instead of spending my remaining one day at Zurich. So kasi I booked an accommodation at Zurich for 3 nights and 4 days. But the last 2 days I had was ayoko. Hindi ako nasiyahan sa syudad because I love this area. So I decided to come here kasi bahala na, sabi ko. Magsisiman ako, at least tinry ko. So luckily siguro talagang guided ako, kaya ganito nakita ko yung not the whole part of the Jungfrau but yung glacier, yung snow-capped mountains na inaasam ko ever since. So ito na nga, I'm here and really enjoy this day. Really enjoyed. Hindi ko man napuntahan yung top of Europe kasi sa forecast hindi masyadong maganda. At saka nothing to see there kasi it's all snowing and foggy sa lower part, and sa upper portions Jungfrau is nag-snow. So I will just be spending money for nothing. I experienced snowing on my 3rd day here. So that's it. Siguro kung bibigyan ng tsansa by summer, so sa summer ang ipipiliin kong bumalik kung may chance at saka may pera. So this is it. If you really wanna see this view, book your flight now. And yeah, if you really wanna see this, or more than the beauty of this, you have to consider summer ang best time to visit here. This is spring, so the spring here is not a spring kasi the other part and the Jungfrau region are still snowing. So summer you can maybe see a clear blue sky with the ice and all the splendid nature can offer. So yeah, that's it. Magpo 4 minutes na. So this is a view. This is the Swiss Alps, and I'm surrounded with little things that I am fighting for. So that's it. Yeah. With all my might. Thank you, Switzerland.